Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be filming the Kendall Jenner Vogue makeup tutorial. I mean, basically it's gonna be the same as what I do in a day, so that's why I'm doing it. So it's like kind of updated products, and why not bang out a two-in-one. I'm just gonna get started. I'm not gonna do her skincare because that's more personal, and I'll film a updated skincare routine for you in a bit, and you'll see like all the new products. So she starts off with foundation, and she uses the Chanel foundation, which I don't have, but what I do have is the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation, and I use the shade Warm Beige 3.5. This was like my winter shade from when I was in New York, but I've been maintaining some color out here in LA. So I'm gonna mix it with my NARS tinted moisturizer, which you all have seen me use. So it's in the shade Cuba medium 3, so I'm just gonna mix a little with it. Okay, so I've got it mixed in my hand. I'm gonna just mix it. That's Zuko in the back. Don't mind him. He's a little baby kitty. Okay, so there's a light wash. She goes in with concealer next, but I'm actually gonna gel my brows because this is driving me crazy. I can't. I usually do brows first, and the fact that I just put my foundation for brows is driving me insane. So I'm using the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Okay, much better. So in her little video, she uses like a professional like concealer, like one of those palettes for makeup artists. I think it's from like RMC, I could be wrong. Like, I remember really wanting it back in the day, but I'm not gonna use that. I do sometimes use a pot, which is the RMS Beauty. That's more on my natural days in the shade 33, but today I'm gonna use the NARS Radiant the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Macadamia, medium 1.5 under my eyes. And then around like my nose and my mouth. I also have this spot right here, so I'm gonna conceal that, because I picked at it this morning. I also do mascara first. I don't do my face first. I do my eyes first. And it's low-key giving me anxiety. I'm using the IT Cosmetics number 7 duo-sided brush to blend everything in. Sorry if I'm looking over there. There's a mirror behind me, and I need to see what I'm doing. Cool, now that's blended. I'm gonna go in with cream contour like she does, and I use the Milk Makeup cream contour, and I believe this is baked. This is the mini one, and I believe the mini one only comes in one color. This is my favorite cream contour. It's so good. I use my Real Techniques, I guess this is a buffer brush. I'm gonna use that to blend. You look so cute! Okay, next she uses blush. She uses the Kylie one, I think, but I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup. This came in the birthday set in work. So good. I love this blush. It's my favorite. And I'm honestly just gonna blend it using the same brush. She goes in with highlighter, which we use the same highlighter. It's the Marc Jacobs highlighter, so like that. My cheekbones. I also added to the inner corners of my eye, so I look more awake. And it doesn't. Then she says, which I would say first, but whatever. So I'm using my Laura Mercier and the Japanesque brush, the little pointy one that looks like the NARS. I tend to set the most here and here and my forehead because that's where I get oily and shiny. Well, what else should I do next? So I did the powder bronzer and blush, so that didn't record at fucking all. So I used the Hoola bronzer instead of the Estee Lauder that she uses to basically bronze and contour my nose a little bit more, and I use the Sigma large angle contour brush at 40 just to bronze everywhere in my jawline, and then for my nose I pinch it and then I just go along the sides. And then she uses the Stormy blush from Kylie Cosmetics, but I use the Almay blush in Rubor. It's like a rosy pinky, and I used the Morphe PK4 angled brush for it. So I just put it on the apples of my cheek, right here, on my nose, a little bit on my forehead and my chin, just to get that all over glow. And yeah, that's what you missed. But moving on, she uses Estee Lauder bronzer to do her eyelids, but I used my Hoola one, and I used the Coastal Scents. Do y'all remember Coastal Scents? So I used the Coastal Scents 250 eye brush, and I just swirl and apply it on my lids. I usually just apply it to my crease. Sometimes I bring it down to my lid, but that just depends on my mood. I just want a slate shadow. It would be so nice if like my lids were this big, like this, you know? I used to want eyelid surgery. And then take it, run it across the lower lash line. Next is eyeliner, and I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay in the shade, what shade is this? I believe it's dark brown. No, black brown. So it's the retractable one with the little smudgy thing at the end. And what I do is just, should I move closer? What I do is I draw a line and I blink just to draw that line, and then smudge it right here. Draw it right here, and then I use the end of the pencil, and I just smudge, smudge, smudge. Cool. So this lash curler I got from like Walmart, I think, and it's literally the best eyelash curler ever. I usually have my lashes lifted, but they've fallen down a bit, so. And I don't have a lash lift and I curl my lashes. I use a waterproof mascara, and when I have my lash lift, I just use regular mascara. So today I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Lift in the Hydrofuge, so basically waterproof. But if I had my lash lift and it was like nice and stuff, I'm going to show you the mascara that I use. So when I have a lash lift, I will use the Revlon So Fierce mascara or the Dior Pump and Volume. So the Revlon though, fire. But since it's fallen down or lash lift, I'm going to use the waterproof Maybelline lash. Okay, I use the Marc Jacobs lip liner in Eau Coco, and I just line my lips. Y'all know the deal. I basically fill it in, and then I don't have it with me, but what she uses is the Kylie Cosmetics, her collaboration, Kendall's like collaboration with Kylie Cosmetics, the little lip blush. I don't have it with me, but I do use it. Like, I dab it in the middle. But since we don't, she uses her gloss, which I also do have, which I also like. I will use the Dior Lip Glow Oil in Rosewood. This is bomb. So good. Do you see how glossy my lips look? This is fire. I love this oil. It's so good. This is my favorite. Honestly, just get this one. Fuck the Kylie Cosmetics one. Just get this one. This one is bomb. Oh, so good. And yeah, I believe that's all she does, because this is all I do. By here, I'm done. My lips are always last. Oh, she applies more highlighter, which I'm not even gonna bother. So this is the vibes. This is the look. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to make it super quick, and honestly this makeup takes me 30 minutes, okay? Without talking or anything, like, or maybe less, because honestly, so quick and easy. I do this so fast, and if I'm being honest, I take really slow in the morning because I watch all of the YouTube videos, I'll watch a show, so then I get distracted. But honestly, I can do this like super quick. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you try all the products or some of the products that I mentioned, and if you like it, please comment below. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.